thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today is a haul video. It is a Dollar Tree haul video. I did pick up some more things for from the Dollar Tree, and I also stopped at a store called Savers, and it's like a secondhand discounted store. My husband told me about that a couple of weeks ago, so we went back to the Dollar Tree, my new Dollar Tree, and also stopped over at Savers, and I did pick up a few things. But before I get started, guys, I want to tell you two things. First, you please forgive any sounds you hear in the background. The lawn is not being mowed today, but the gardener is outside. There's a lot of traffic also in the back towards my home, and my window was up, so you're going to hear the birds, you're going to hear crickets, you may even hear a plane passing by. And yeah, so that's just it. And today I did not turn on my air conditioner. I have my windows open because it's a nice, cool, breezy day, and I just like the cool, breezy days. The second thing I want to tell you about is if you have not subscribed to my channel and you have been watching me and you have not subscribed, doesn't cost a thing, guys. Just click that subscribe button and then click on the notification bell so that you can receive my uploads in your email. It's absolutely free, it won't cost you a thing, and it helps out the channel. Okay guys, so I'm going to get started. Okay, first I'm going to start with the Dollar Tree, guys, and this is everything from the Dollar Tree, including those zinnias. I picked up a houseware, and I also picked up a couple of things I've been wanting to do for crafting. So guys, I'm not going to tell you this is going to be a short video, and I hope it's not going to be a really long video, but if you're here for the haul, I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Okay guys, so let me just start with the flowers because they're right here at the top, and I just want to take them out. And I just bought 3 bundles of the zinnias, the gold colored zinnias. They had white. I picked up the white the last time I was there, so this time I just got the yellow, and it's so pretty. Very quickly, I don't like to stockpile things in my home, but I go through this rather quickly because I use it to clean every part of my home, and you all know what that is. That's the Awesome, and I love Awesome. You guys already know that, and it's for those of you who don't know Awesome, it's basically a cleanser, a degreaser, removes spots from clothing. My husband's aunt told me about this about 10 years ago. That's when I started using it. I fell in love with it, and it says cleans everything washable, spray on and wipe off. So this is not the spray bottle. I do have a couple of spray bottles that I'll just pour some of this into those bottles. Next thing I picked up I wanted to try was the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. It says 10 times cleaning power, kills 99.9% virus and bacteria. Power toilet bowl cleaner. Of course I got 2. Never tried it before. I'm going to try it out and see how that works. Okay, so the next thing I picked up for home decor, I'm actually going to be doing a project with these. These are picture frames, 5x7 picture frames. They're the textured silver picture frames. I picked up 5 of them so that I could create a like a wall decor with it. And I'll I will definitely show you guys what I'm going to do with this. I already seen something here on YouTube that I absolutely fell in love with, and I said her results looked really amazing. I can't remember the channel name, but I did copy it and paste it in my to my computer, so I definitely will leave her link to the video. I absolutely love what she did with it, and she used 5 picture frames. She used some really nice picture frames, mirrored picture frames from the Dollar Tree, which I did not see. But anyway, I got these in silver, and I'm going to use those for my wall decor. Next thing I got from the Dollar Tree was, this is the garden dish. They're made from plastic. I'm thinking about spray painting them because, so I want to like kind of conceal the scratches a little bit. But anyway, I picked up 2 of these. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with them, but I picked these up. I picked up another block of floral foam, and I also picked up some white rocks. Bag of white rocks, and I got all this from the flower section again, but I'm thinking now to keep the bowls clear and then maybe use the white rocks inside. Not 100% sure what I want to do, guys, but that's, I'm going to play around. So here I got 2 candles. The candles already have the silver ribbon around them, so it's absolutely so cute. and I picked up 2. This is the 3-inch unscented pillar candle. I'm saying it's 3 inches because it looks about 3 inches. So I got 2 of those. I thought it was great that it was already kind of designed a little bit, so that helps out a lot. I also got these pure scents. These are scent beads that you put in like a bowl or a container. They come in a container also, and it gives your home a nice scent depending on what the scent is on the, it says on the package. So this says Hawaiian scent. It's a deodorizer, guys, like just cleans the air. I got 2 of these instead of 2 of the ones that was in the container, because for the same price you nearly get twice as much. So this is 14.5 ounces in the smaller container that you would use in your home. It's 8 ounces, so you know, nearly twice as much. So I picked for the same price. So I just picked up 2 of those, and that's what I got for the home as far as home scents go. It's my first time using that, and I can't wait to see how that works out. So the next 2 things I picked up were these glasses, and they're more like candle holders. The glass is very thick, it's weighted, has weight to it. I wanted to create something that I saw on Letitia McKinney's channel. I think her channel is called Designing with Letitia McKinney. If I messed up your name, I apologize. I definitely will leave the link to the video that I saw. I want to use, she didn't use this type of container. She used something different shape, round. But I like her results, and I can see in my mind that if I do the exact same thing on a different shape container, it'll come out just as pretty. So definitely got that with her in mind. So I'm going to do a DIY. Definitely will tag her in my video, and guys, I'll leave the link to the video. I absolutely love a lot of the work that she does. She does like a lot of glam work. Oh, it's just really nice. I mean, just really, really nice. Also got these 2 right here. The apothecary containers or jars. Definitely want to use these for candle holders, and may create something to go in my kitchen after my kitchen is done. And so that was it for the Dollar Tree. Didn't spend a lot. I think everything came to $22. So next, I went right next door to Savers after I finished with the Dollar Tree. The Savers I went to is like a secondhand store. They sell everything secondhand: dishes, clothing, shoes, furniture, a lot of glassware, stemware I found. I saw copper dishes. I mean, so anyway, I went to Savers. I liked a lot of the stemware they had. I didn't buy any because I got enough of my own. But what I did get was some candlestick holders, and I'm going to show you what I got. I picked up these 2, guys. Now let me just show you. They came like that in that bag. This is what they look like, and they both together were $1.99. So I got both of these for $1.99. Let me just show you the work that's on it. This is really, really so nice, and that's what that looks like. I cleaned them up a little bit, but I got these 2 for $1.99. We can really get in some trouble here. Really? And the thing is loud. That's the worst part about it. Okay, so the next set of candle holders that I got cost $1.99. They came in this bag together, and the total price was $1.99. So I got 2 of them. Really nice design on it. Really, really nice. And I have 3 or 4 ideas of what I'm going to do with that. I mean, I'm getting ready to, and this is what the price tag is on that. Both of them so pretty for $1.99. So technically they both cost like, you know, like $1. The next thing that I picked up was these 2 miniature candlestick holders, and each one was $1.99. So that's the price tag on it. But look how pretty this is. Really nice. So I got both of those. And the next set of candlestick holders, they cost $1.99 each also. And these are so pretty, guys. Look at this. Look how nice that is. And the color is just everything. So I got 2, and I was looking for more, but all I found were these 2. And they were $1.99 each. And they're absolutely gorgeous. So I'm thinking I'm going to do something with those in my kitchen when my kitchen is finished. And last but not least, for $1.99, here's the tag. I've got these cute little pearls, bag of pearls for $1.99. Definitely going to use them for my DIYs. They're pearls on the string, so they're already on the string, and I just got a bag of them. And yeah, that's what that is. That's what that is. So guys, that is my haul. I'll leave the hair information in the description section below, but let me just show you. It's from a company called Kalis. I got it from Amazon. And this wig came with a netted cap that you can wear to keep your hair down. It's not a wig cap really, netted cap. And I forget how much this cost, guys. But if you're interested, I'll leave the link below. This is the netted little wig cap that comes with wigs now. I've been getting a lot of my wigs from Amazon. When they ship products from Amazon now, I noticed that especially wigs nowadays, they're putting them in little bags like this because it saves on the shipping weight. And yeah, so this is just like a natural curly look. Has a part, which I didn't do anything to. I probably should have, but I didn't, except for put some concealer in. And definitely will show you some pictures of me wearing this. I've worn this now for about 2 weeks, so this is 2 weeks old, and I absolutely love the way it looks. It looks like natural hair, feels like natural hair, and it has like a natural hair look, especially with a little bit of slight natural hair frizz, that natural pretty frizz that our hair gets when it's you know, like when it's humid and it starts to frizz a little bit. This hair does that. I have to say before I forget that this is a synthetic wig. It's not human hair, but I absolutely love it. And yeah, it's cute, it's sexy, guys. So I'll probably pop in a picture of when I was out yesterday. I had this on. Okay guys, so thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, just leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video. I appreciate it so much. And you all stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.